is there. Okay, you mark this in 0. Show me 0. Mark
0 also.
Okay, so this is where anatomically located. Okay, so this is the point. Table 30 mala. See how this will travel to here. This point will travel to here. You know? Amar pala. Okay. So now my finger is here and see my tip is sure. See here. See the difference here. It's around 5 centimeters. Simple. You fix your point here. Fix it with your lower finger. This at the calyx. Now bullseye is like you shoot an arrow, right?
Like your
on
eye.
a bullseye, right?
Like your eye.
Your needle should not see curve. Okay, only this target. It with this thing. Okay, you go deeper. In stone cases, you will feel the stone. Okay, and if you want to see that, I can move the cotton. You can see. Okay, cotton can be moved. Can you see the movement here? Okay, make it 0. Adjust in 0. See, I'm right at the target. So suppose I was a little behind, the angle still remains the same. So I'll just go deep in my this thing. See, the cotton is coming out. Can you see? Okay, this is how you.
So it's superficial.
Yeah.
Big problem.
You try once there.
Okay. Make 30 degree.
Yeah. Make it lower point fix. Go. Introduce little with your left finger first. Yeah. No curve should be seen. Only bullseye, like a bull. Okay. Go deeper. You will feel that you're not sure whether you have crossed or not. Make it 0.
0, please.
Make it 0. Yeah. Try to see where you have reached.
Take picture.
A little behind you. Oh, so you have just at the collar. So it was the previous one which you were trying, right? Posterior one. You are right at the calyx. Let me show you what lateral descent is. So give me a target calyx here. Suppose it's the same one. This one. Show me. So this I show you when you are doing under the rib, right? Making this angle. So this angle is not necessary when you are doing a lateral descent. Show me. So lateral descent you can do in 0 and 30 both. So this is my tip. Here is my calyx. I'll make an entry. So I'll mark a 5 centimeter distance from the calyx. Here, okay? 30 degree. So I'm going in 30 degree direction. Show me. Towards my target calyx. Okay? So suppose I'm not sure. One thing can happen. It will be in the same display. Superficial or deep.
Yeah.
How will I check that? 30. When I 30 degree, superficial will be needle up. Deep will be needle down. 30 degree kora. তোমার ফালে লো দেখো তোমার अपना ফালে লো लगेगा. So see, I am up. Okay, so I'll come down. I'll adjust my angle toward deep and I'll try to hit the cotton again. Make 0 again. Show me. Yeah, this is the perfect place. If you push it, the contrast will come out. This thing will come.
Yeah. Okay, I will try. I make 30 degree.
Sir?
This one only? Or the lower one? Posterior. So you're little at the angle. Come back again. Yeah. Adjust your this thing. Yeah. Go towards the calyx again. Yeah. Very good. You're already hitting the rust.
One question. You see better the stone without contrast or with contrast at the first?
No, without contrast, of course. Contrast will obscure your angles.
But benefit from the contrast.
You want to know the calyceal anatomy, where the stone is exactly. Is it at the tip of the calyx? How wide is the infundibulum? How much you gonna dilate? These all information you will get from a contrast study.
You have already all the patients with full stone.
With what?
With full stone.
Full of stone. Stagnant. You can do without contrast.
Okay. Without contrast, but if you have contrast, you go back a little back to push the guide.
So what I do is generally I feel the stone and then I try to put the guide wire there. If I cannot do that, I push some water. Most of the time we dilate without the guide wire going into the ureter or even in the pelvis itself. So it just coil there. I know that I'm at the stone. I dilate till where my stone is, and then I see in the nephroscope and adjust. That's how I do.